Hi, welcome to Teacher Laila's online classroom. This is for English Language Year 2 for the phonics based lesson. For today's lesson, we are going to learn about phonics for the sound of ear. Ear. Listen. Ear. 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 Say the sound together. Ear. 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 Now, let us blend the sound with other letter. We add ear, here, 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 yeah, yeah, ear, ear, year, 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 g, 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 ear, ear, gear, 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 t, 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 ear, 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 tear, 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 tear. Say the words again. Here, here, year, 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 gear, 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 tear, tear, tear.